Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced coffee quick and easy. First, brew your coffee directly over ice. This simple technique instantly chills the hot coffee, preventing it from becoming watery. You'll achieve a rich, full-bodied flavor without waiting for it to cool down. It's the fastest way to enjoy a refreshing iced coffee at home, perfect for busy mornings or an afternoon treat. To ensure a robust iced coffee, use more coffee grounds than usual. Aim for about 2 tablespoons of ground coffee per 6 ounces of water. This creates a concentrated brew that stands up well to the ice. You can use your regular drip coffee maker. Just adjust the coffee to water ratio. A strong base is key to a delicious, undiluted iced beverage. Once your strong coffee is brewed over ice, it's time to sweeten it. Adding sugar or simple syrup while the coffee is still warm helps it dissolve completely. Then, pour your chilled coffee into a glass filled with fresh ice. Finish with a splash of milk, cream, or a dairy-free alternative. Stir well and enjoy your perfectly customized iced coffee. Get creative with your iced coffee. Try adding a pump of flavored syrup, like vanilla or hazelnut, for an extra treat. You can also top it with whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate, or a dash of cinnamon. The possibilities are endless for personalizing your drink. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your drinks cold all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.